Oh, gusto kong matulog pero sakit ng likod ko. I wish I can sleep soon. Good night. Breakfast and lunch in bed. Let's eat. Tingnan nyo guys, oh, ang ganda talaga ng colors niya. Woot woot woo. I love that pink color.
Let me go in the back way. Make sure there's.
We don't have tornado watch, right? Oh my gosh. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good midnight to all my friends near and far. This is Marilyn, your friend, La Filipina Carpintera here in America. Kakatapos ko lang mag-fertilize ng aming mga tanim. Parang mahotdan ako ng energy guys at mahotdan ako ng gininhawa ba. It could have been easier if the topography of our land is straight lang, flat lang eh. Kaso lang bangin, kaya nahihirapan ako. And instead na 25 minutes to 30 minutes lang na trabaho ginagawa ko, it turned out na basta mag-fertilize ako eh. It would always take me like 1 hour, 30 minutes to 2 hours kasi ang hirap ng bangin akyatin. Kumusta na po kayo? I hope everybody's doing okay. At kung ako naman inyong tatanungin, by God's grace, kahit walang nagtatanong, I'm doing well. It has been 3 days, I guess, na hindi ako nakapag-vlog. Kasi sakit yung payud ko, guys. Nag-bedridden ako ng ilang araw. But anyway, may marami tayong kwento ngayon, guys. At ang ikikwento ko sa inyo ay yung nakakagimbal na aming dumpster diving. Oh my gosh guys, hindi ko inakala na makapulot pala ako ng ganito na klase na material na hindi ko alam or hindi ko akalain or hindi ko alam kung ibabalik ko ba sa may-ari or hindi. Will I keep it or return it? Kasi ang taas ng history ng itong item na ito. But before that,
Anyway, All right.
I will
We'll
drink
talk to you
water
soon.
first.
Love you. Bye.
Inom muna tayo ng tubig.
So
What?
she doesn't remember coming over when I was upset about thunder. She says she doesn't have a specific memory. She says it was just something so natural that she probably didn't even.
Oh, that's so sweet.
I let her know about the prayer that way about. I need your comfort, like Mom used to comfort me. And
Yeah,
she
yeah.
said, "Oh, well, I'm glad I did something right."
Yeah, of course.
I said, "You did many things right."
Yeah. Oh. Kuha muna tayo ng tubig. When was that, Corey? Friday or Saturday?
About the cat.
Yeah?
That was Sunday.
Sunday. Oh my
Saturday,
gosh.
I was in Elmore
Oh, okay.
for the family gathering.
Yeah.
So this was Sunday
Oh my gosh.
morning.
Uh-huh.
Like, my goodness.
It was crazy.
I'm gonna water really quick.
Okay, love you.
Your hose got tight. Maybe
Yeah.
not, kind of.
No wonder it was not working.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Nauuhaw ako pero syempre, konti lang na Coke tapos water guys. May problema ako. Siguro problemado na yung creatinine ko kasi yung urine ko ay may mga ano na siya, may mga bula-bula na siya. That only means one thing. Your kidneys are acting up, so I have to be very, very, very careful. But anyway, inom muna ako kasi nauuhaw talaga ako. Thirst quencher talaga itong Coke. Alright, before muna tayo mag-storytelling, ay pakita ko sa inyo yung pinabili ko sa asawa ko para sa ating dinner tonight. I had him pick up paprika powder and garlic. Alright, before tayo mag-usap-usap ng mga kwento-kwento sa aking buhay, ay pakita ko muna sa inyo ang nabili ng asawa ko. Hindi ko akalain na ito lang pala. Sabi ko, isang carrot lang ibilhin mo kasi tayo lang naman dalawa. I was thinking na he would get the large size. Ito, napakaliit. But anyway, okay lang siguro yan. And then, nagpakuha din ako ng garlic and paprika powder, tapos mozzarella cheese, cottage cheese, tapos dalawang potatoes, onion and garlic, and then, dito na ito kanina pa, before pa, heavy whipped cream, tapos sour cream, tapos, itong ating makusgano ng chicken, and ang ating, ito na ang i-prepare ko. Teka lang ha. Drink muna tayo ng tubig. Cheers! Para sa health ng ating katawan, para sa health ng ating kidneys, para sa health ng ating blood, para hindi thick yung ating blood. So, inom tayo ng tubig. Okay, so, taka lang. I-prepare lang natin ang ating makusgano na chicken. But first, ay maghugas-hugas muna tayo ng kamay. As useless, kailangan natin ng chicken breast. Tapos, atin lang siyang i-cut into thin slices para maluto siya ng madali. O, ito lang dalawa. Kasi dalawa lang naman kami. So, ito lang yung inano ni Corey. So, let's just cut this into really thin slices. So, ano ba yung kwento ko? Una is, I hope I'll be able to tell you everything all at once in this episode kasi ang dami talagang nangyayari sa buhay natin dito sa Amerika. But anyway, alam niyo ba guys na nung Sunday, napakainit talaga. Tapos, inopen ko yung para hindi na gastos sa air condition, inopen ko yung aming door at saka window na ganun lang kaunti lang talaga na i-open. Mga na yun mga midnight na siguro yun. At iduk-dukin lang natin ito. Duk. So, yun. Alam niyo ba kung anong nangyari? So, open yung window, ng kaunti. Tapos, open din yung door. Guys, pagka alas 8 ng umaga, pupunta si Corey doon sa labas. Pagpunta niya doon sa sunroom namin, kita niya yung pusa si Elsie. Yun bang pusa namin na pag nagdadabog pag nagugutom tinatapon niya yung mga kahit anong makita niya. Oh my gosh, nataranta si Corey. Bakit? Saan ka galing? Kasi pumasok siya sa door from outside. So, nagtataka si Court. Naku, nung tinignan niya yung door namin guys, alam ko anong nangyari. Inopen pala nila. Ewan ko kung sinong nag-open. Kasi na-experience na namin na nawalan kami ng pusa. For 4 days, wala talaga siyang tulog. Walang kain siya talaga around that time. Nagpa-post kami ba ng pictures at saka posters. Yun, dinistribute namin sa lahat ng mga bahay. Tapos may silingan kami na nandun lang pala sa porch nila si Berta. But anyway, kinant niya yung pusa namin. Syempre, may nakalabas na. So, kailangan na talagang i-count yung pusa namin. Roll call na. So, yun, pag roll call niya guys, kulang ng isa yung pusa namin. Oh my gosh. Tapos, pumasok siya sa kwarto at sinigawan pa naman ako guys. Kaya yun, hindi na sigaw na, alam niyo yung tao na napaka-desperate dahil sa galit niya yung boses na ay nasa loob ng esophagus or I don't know how you say it. Anyway, so yun, ginising niya ako. Sabi niya, Marilyn, did you open the door last night? What did you say again when you found out that the door was opened and then you went to the bedroom and then you woke me up?
Well, I wasn't very happy.
Yeah, hindi siya talaga na.
Did you leave the door open?
Yeah, sabi niya, did you leave the door open? Tapos, I know that you were stressed out because your voice sounded different.
Oh, I was like
Yeah.
panicky. My biggest nightmare coming. I have nightmares about doors being open and cats getting out, and here it was
Yeah.
happening. Like this.
Sabi niya, the cats are missing. Oh my goodness. So, yung tarantar na ako, guys. Super tarantar na talaga. So, yun, lumabas kami. Tapos, sabi niya na si Fluffy Cat. Yung isa na itim na pusa was missing. Oh my goodness. So, yun, buti na lang paglabas niya, nakita niya doon, nakatago sa papunta na sa labas sa gate. Si Mori, yung mga pusa namin na napulot namin 2 years ago or 3 years ago, wala, hindi namin nakita. So yun, sabi niya, check niya. Nako, yung nakita niya si Cox lang. Guys, kinagabihan na. Wala pa rin niya nakita si Mori. So yun, worst nightmare as what he said. Nag-prayer si Corey. Sabi niya, mag-prayer drive muna ako. So yun, nag-pray siya, Lord, please, bring our cat back home. Prepare muna natin ang ating mga ingredients. Kailangan natin ng 1 teaspoon salt. And then 1 teaspoon paprika powder. And 1 teaspoon black pepper or corn pepper. Yan. A little bit less than 1 teaspoon, but okay na rin. Okay. And then 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Problema ay hindi ako nakadala ng garlic powder. So, regular garlic na lang yung gagamitin natin. Alright, so 1 teaspoon of regular garlic. And then, after that, ay ating stir. I-mix lang natin. Tapos, ating i-dip ang ating chicken. Yung natin na chicken. Yan. Para talaga, saturate yung niya. Yung taste niya sa ating meat. Yan. Tapos, on a separate container ay mag-chop-chop tayo ng onion na masarap. Yan. Yan. At ilagay natin dito sa ating makusganong container. At atin siyang i-saute together with the carrots. But kaunti lang na. Painitin lang natin ito pagkatapos ating i-saute. hinugasan ko na siya. Tapos, i-divide lang natin ng half. Oh. Ah! Yan. Tapos, dito lang natin ilagay. Yan. Ooh. Yan, lagay natin dito. Okay. Tapos, check natin yung ating linuluto kasi parang nasunog na. Hey. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Separate container para hindi na masyadong masunog. Yan. Yan. Looks yummy already, huh? Alright, here's our dinner. Give me your plate, please.
So what is it called?
Oh, it's chicken, don't worry.
Are these peppercorns?
Yeah,
Oh, that's the problem.
our thing.
That's what I'm tasting. Okay, other than the peppercorn, I would say remove the peppercorn.
Mm-hmm. How about my potato casserole?
But I think the peppercorn.
What's the rating? 1 to 10. About this one?
In the first version of it, like a 7.1 because it's a little bit salty. It's a little bit salty.